Want to make your landing page more trustworthy and increase conversions? In this video, I'll show you how to add testimonials to a landing page in System.io step by step. Step 1. Log in to your System.io account and click on Funnels. Open the funnel that contains the landing page you want to edit. Step 2. Click Edit Page to open the drag-and-drop page editor. Scroll through the available elements or sections to find a Testimonials section. If your template doesn't include one, you can create your own using text, images, and columns. Step 3. Drag the testimonial section onto your page or edit the existing one. Replace the sample text with a genuine customer testimonial. Add the customer's name and, if you have permission, include their photo or company name. Step 4. Customize the design to match your landing page. You can change the font size, colors, spacing, and image alignment to keep everything clean and easy to read. Step 5. Click Save Changes and preview your page. Check that the testimonials look good on both desktop and mobile devices, and make sure they're placed close to your call to action button for maximum impact. And that's it! You've successfully added testimonials to your System.io landing page. If you want to build professional funnels that inspire trust and generate more leads, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more simple, step-by-step tutorials.